But done with Jamaican DJ now more while for certain events because them not really make the song them finish. Yeah. Yeah man, DJs at Jamaican don't really read the room. Especially if it's like a accomplishment or something sad. Last time I have a show, them play, you know, although we've come to the end, me the man say, end of the road, girl. Still I can't, now let you go, girl, you're not going nowhere. I say, yo, I don't think of that type of party, you know. And the DJ, them always are informed by you. The worst thing can happen is for a DJ know you. That's the worst thing. You're walking, oh that deal. You man the boss, tell them man ready to buy 5 buckler. Which girl that? How do your wife that? No, they look like they'll carry out inside girl tonight. A problem. Can't deal with the Jamaican DJ them attack.